So Golden State will get the first possession. Down low, deflects the pass. And it's Hachimura in the corner. Lands soft on the front of the rim and drops. It's Davis. He'll bring the ball up for the Los Angeles Lakers. James finds Hachimura. Yep, that one goes in there.
LeBron doing what he does best, creating four.
13 feet away. It's good.
Just such a well-rounded offensive player. He's got a little bit of everything.
Passes it. This one for three. It's hauled in by Jackson Davis. The Warriors have gone just 1 of 4 to get this game started. And he gets the whistle. 2 free throws coming out.
Yeah, good job to take it right at the team.
Yeah, really left him no choice there, Greg. He had the foul and keep him from converting the easy bucket.
And he can't hit the second. The Lakers have gone 2 of 3 here to start out the game. Russell with the bucket. Angeles, they've gone 3 of 4 from the field to start out the game. And that one's good. James to the wing. Here's Podziemski. Good. About 3 minutes gone here in the first quarter.
And guys, he's not in the clock to their advantage.
Hield. 2 free throws coming up, and they call the shooting size. The Warriors have gone 1 for 2 on the night so far from the line.
Been at the line last season, about
7-second difference, shot and game clock, and foul on the shot, so he'll get a chance to the line.
I'll tell you what, he earned his money on that foul.
Yeah, if you're going to foul, then make sure that you don't give a chance for the N1.
So he dishes it to Reddish. Hits it from 3-point range. Hield outside. Draws contact on the shot, and now a 3-point play chance as he'll head to the line. So it's both teams making substitutions here, and he's got to begin the second quarter. The post pair for him. It's Green and Looney. Then it's Anthony Melton. And it's Podziemski in the position.
Yeah, how about the body control on that one? Narrowly misses getting the deuce.
Boy, he had a nice look at it after drawing the foul.
Open.
Count the basket.
That's a...
It's good. He makes his first shot of the game.
Davis really going up strong.
Here's Russell. And the layup is good. Russell's,
and this is what makes sure he gets that board.
Hachimura, and there's another one for the leading. Shot clock at 5. Gets it to go from beyond the arc. He's now 1 for 2 with that bucket.
Solid in.
Back to Kuminga.
Delicious dime from Curry there.
Swiped it away. Kuminga, the 10-footer. Got a piece of it. They retain possession. Golden State moving it around.
Yeah, how about...
And he's good on the wing. Heel.
The Warriors, 31.
To the middle. Here's Green.
Her triple was going to fall.
Russell trying to free himself up. That's good. And the Warriors
got to do it as a unit.
Comes to the inside. Reeves. And that one is hammered home. Here's Reeves. And the basket is good. And he's got a chance here for one more at the line.
His hard work on the backboard really just has given them more opportunities to score.
And we're just around 2 minutes into the final half of play now. That one drops for him. It's Reeves. Back to Hachimura. And Davis sends it back. But they recover it. Looney gets to Wiggins. Goes back up. And he drops in the layup off the glass.
Attack mode. He doesn't know how to step off the gas pedal.
And the whistle blows. It's going to be on Davis. Here's Anderson. Gets to the rim for 2 with the D all over him.
There, no box out.
Those are free points you're giving away. You've got to work harder on the bunches.
Here's Anderson. And the call on the shot that sends him to the line. And he's got his first free throw of the game.
And he finished last season right around 71% from the line, so not exactly.
But with the second effort, and it's in Davis in at the center, filling out the middle. Now here's Hield. Nailed from 3-point land. Here's Hachimura. LeBron. Here's the 3. And it's LeBron James with the 3. Right through the cylinder that time. All net. As it shoots the 3. And again, Los Angeles with a triple. Hield with the shot. Finds himself wide. Look. James trying to free himself up. And terrific.
Those kinds of offensive rebounds for putbacks. You all,
I mean, he did a nice job there. Never gave up on the play and
protect the basketball and make the simple play. In other words, guys, no hero ball right now.
Okay, David, thanks. And finished off by Davis. Curry against Davis. Green. It's ball. The pass to James. Money.
well, they're having major trouble.